everyone, my name is Thuy and today I want to give you 3 advice for tourists if you don't want to be scammed when travel in Vietnam. Let's go!
He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember.
Today we will talk about one of the most important topics when you travel in Vietnam. That's the 3 advice for tourists if you don't want to be scammed when traveling. Let's see until the end of the video. Tip number 1. You definitely download the Grab or XanhSm when you travel to Vietnam. That's the popular app when you come, and you can use that one. Because when you come to, for example, when you come to Hanoi, a lot of scam for taxi. Why have a lot of scam when you're traveling to Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, for taxi? Because when you first arrive from your country or another country to the airport, you don't know exactly how much for the price from the airport to the city center. So that's the reason a lot of scam, they would charge you a lot of money. So normally if you travel from the airport, Nội Bài Airport to Hanoi Center, it just costs about 400,000, but I heard a lot of people be charged about 2 million. That means about almost $100. That's too expensive. Besides that, when you book the taxi by Grab, you can know exactly the price. You also can use that very easy because the app can using by English, and you also can payment by card. And the last one, if you book by the app like Grab or XanhSm when you're traveling to Vietnam, just in case if you forgot something on the car, like your phone or your camera or anything you forgot, you can easy to look back the app to get the phone number, or you call to the hotline to check with the car to see if any your valuable stuff can be on the car or not. So that's better for you, right? And the small tip for you when you book a Grab, that's definitely check about the departure location until your location you expect to come in, to make sure you come to the right location. When you book the bus or the train or the flight, let's come to the app or the website or travel agency list for you. For example, you can go to Traveloka for making the reservation for the flight, or you come to Travel.Asia for taking the bus. Because when you book through that travel agent, they can help you choose the good quality for the bus company. The timetable very easy to see, and also you can choose the seat when you book through them. Last time we have a customer, he wants to book the bus by himself, and then he decide go to the bus station to take a bus, and then at that moment he be scammed in there because the bus he booked, that is the VIP, but on the middle of the road, the bus they transfer him to a local bus. That is really horrible experience. So remember, let's check the bus company before you make the book. Tip number 3. When you booking the tour or any experience when you're coming to Vietnam, let's book directly with tour operator, or you can book with the tour travel agency linked on the trip advisor or on the Get Your Guide. If you're booking directly with the tour operator, that will make sure the price you book is not be high or passing a lot of travel agency. They will got a lot of commission, make your price of your package tour be raised. If you're not yet sure where you want to book the travel agency or the tour operator, maybe you can easy to meet another tourist on the Facebook group or in the WhatsApp group to ask them which one is best, so they can give you for some advice in there. If you feel this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the button like here, share the video and subscribe the channel. See you!